Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model knitted with wool. Let's start. A crochet flower vase typically refers to a vase that is either crocheted entirely from yarn or a regular vase that has been covered or decorated with a crochet design. Here are the two main types. Crocheted vase cover. This involves creating a crocheted sleeve or cover that slips over an existing glass or ceramic vase. The crochet pattern can be intricate, with leg designs, floral motifs, or simple stitches, adding texture and warmth to the vase. Crocheted vase. In this case, the entire vase is crocheted using sturdy yarn or a crochet technique that allows it to hold its shape. Sometimes a stiffening agent is used to make sure the vase remains upright. These vases can be used as decorative items or can hold artificial flowers. Both types of crochet flower vases are popular in home decor, especially in styles that appreciate handmade and crafty aesthetic, like vintage, rustic, or farmhouse decor. Creating a crochet flower vase or vase cover can be a delightful project. Here are some tips to help you. Choose the right yarn. For covers, use cotton or acrylic yarn. Cotton provides a neat, sturdy look, while acrylic is softer and comes in a variety of colors. For full vases, opt for thicker yarns like t-shirt yarn or bulky cotton to give the vase structure. You can also use a stiffening agent like fabric stiffener or sugar water to help it hold its shape. Select an appropriate pattern. Simple designs. Start with a basic pattern like single or double crochet stitches, especially if you are new to crochet. Leg patterns. For a delicate vintage look, choose leg or dolly style patterns. These work well as covers over clear glass vases. Textured patterns. For a rustic or farmhouse style, consider using bubble or puff stitches to create a more textured, cozy appearance. Incorporate colors. Use earthy tones like beige, cream, or muted pastels for a farmhouse or vintage look. For a more vibrant, eclectic style, mix bright colors or variegated yarns. Add embellishments. Consider adding embellishments to your vase, like crocheted flowers, leaves, or even beads and ribbons. This adds a decorative touch and can enhance the theme of your decor. Experiment with colors. Use colors that match or complement your interior decor. For a farmhouse or vintage look, earthy tones or pastel still work well. For a more modern or vibrant style, go for bolder colors. Pair with artificial flowers. Since a fully crocheted vase may not hold water, it is perfect for displaying artificial flowers. Choose flowers that match the style of your vase to create a cohesive look. Mix with other decor. Place your crocheted vase alongside other textured or handmade items like wooden trays, crochet coasters, or rustic elements to create a cozy, cohesive vignette. Try upcycling. Use an old glass or plastic bottle as a base for your crochet vase cover. This is not only recycles but also gives the vase a solid shape without extra effort. Custom sizing. Adjust your crochet pattern to fit different vase sizes. You can create a set of vases in various sizes to use as a centerpiece or for different rooms. Experiment with different texture. Combine different yarn texture in one vase cover, like mixing smooth yarn with a fuzzy or metallic one. This adds visual interest and depth to the design. Layered look. Create a layered or ruffled look by crocheting in tiers or adding a decorative border. This gives your vase a unique and playful appearance. Use multiple layers of yarn. If your crochet vase is not holding its shape, try using 2 strands of yarn together to crochet. This adds thickness and makes the vase sturdier. Crochet a lid or topper. For a unique touch, crochet a lid or decorative topper for your vase, especially if it is being used as a container or a storage bit. Play with openwork designs. Create openwork patterns like leg or mesh to allow glimpses of the vase underneath, especially if it is a colorful glass vase. This adds a delicate and airy feel. These tips should help you create beautiful and functional crochet flower vases that add charm and warmth to your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!